Namaste to all of you. Differential equations, ninth class B lecture. Exclusively this is for IIT JEE, not for your board exams like that. Okay, today we will discuss about the exact differential equations. While entering into this exact differential equations, yesterday class I given different kinds of the differential equations, and here a homogeneous differential equation is in the form dy by dx is equals to f of x comma y by g of x comma y. Then how you can solve this equation? Y is equals to vx, where f of x comma y, g of x comma y are the homogeneous functions having the same degree. Regarding this, if you refer previous videos, you can understand easily. Now today we will discuss about the exact differential equations. What is the exact differential equations means? If the given equation is in the form m of x comma y into dx plus n of x comma y into dy is equals to 0, or simply m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. Okay, here m comma n are the functions of x comma y both. M is also function of x comma y, n is also function of x comma y. Then basing on what condition we can say this is the exact differential equation. Now here you have to find dou m by dou y, and here you can find dou n by dou x. Dou m by dou y means partial derivative with respect to y. Partial derivative with respect to y means when you are differentiating this value, x value in this m you have taken as the constant. For example, if m is equals to xy square is given, what is dou m by dou y value equals to x constant. So x as it is, only y square derivative to y is the value. So regarding this partial differentiation in the classroom also already we discussed, just revise that one. So if you calculate dou m by dou y value and dou n by dou x value, if here dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x, then such a kind of differential equation is called the exact differential equation. Exact differential equation. Once again, if the given differential equation is in the form m into dx plus n into dy is equals to 0, where m is the function of x comma y, n is also function of x comma y. In order to say that this is a exact differential equation, first we have to calculate dou m by dou y value, and then you can calculate dou n by dou x value. Here dou m dou y means partial differentiate m with respect to y. Here dou n by dou x means partial differentiate n with respect to x. If these two values are equal, then the differential equation is said to be exact differential equation. Now for an exact differential equation, how we can find the general solution? And directly here I am giving general solution. How you can find the general solution for such a kind of the exact differential equation? Now for general solution, integral m dx y as constant value. First one, integral m into dx. In this you have to treat it as y value as constant value, plus integral, here in the n you have to write terms of n without x dy is equals to constant. This is the directly general solution for the exact differential equation. Here the general solution is given by integral m dx by treating here y value as constant value, plus next integral we have to write terms of n without x, that means only y terms only you have to take here, into dy is equals to constant. This is the general solution for the exact differential equation. With one example I will give this, in detail I will explain. Here the bit is solve the differential equation x square minus ay into dx plus y square minus ax into dy equal to 0 if they are given like this. Okay, once again, x square minus ay into dx plus y square minus ax into dy equal to 0. Here in differential equation like this they will give. If it is easily solvable in any previous method, you can proceed, no, not an issue. But for this example, exact differential equation, even I am giving this example. So here instead of m, what is m value? X square minus ay. And n value, what is n value here? Y square minus ax is the value. Since this is in the form m into dx plus n into dy equal to 0. So this is m value, this is n value. Then for this one, what we have to calculate? Dou m by dou y. What is dou m by dou y value? Here x square value as constant value. Here you can get minus a. For this one we have to calculate dou n by dou x value. What is dou n by dou x value? Dou n by dou x means with respect to x we have to partial differentiate. So y value is constant 0 and here you will get again minus a. That is, here we are getting dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x is the value. So this is the exact differential equation. Now for this exact differential equation, we have to write the directly general solution. How you can find the general solution? The general solution is given by integral y value as a constant means x square minus ay dx. Here y terms as constant, plus integral. In n value without x we have to take. Here x term is there, so delete this value. So y square directly we have to take, dy is equal to c. Then simplify this value. This is the value, x cube by 3 minus ay into x plus this value y cube by 3 is equal to c. So this is the general solution for the given exact differential equation. When writing the general solution, here y value as constant we have to take in m term, and in the n value terms without x means here x term is there na, delete this value, exclusively y term is y square. So directly that value only we have to take it. So automatically the solution is x cube by 3 minus ayx plus y cube by 3 equal to c. One more example I will give. Solve the differential equation 2x log y into dx plus x square by y plus 3y square into dy equal to 0. So this is also in the form m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. So here the given form is m into dx plus n into dy equal to 0. Of course this is m value, this is n value. Then immediately you can calculate the value dou m by dou y. What is dou m by dou y value? 2x into log y derivative 1 by y. Similarly you can calculate dou n by dou x value. Dou n by dou x means with respect to x only we have to partial differentiate. So here 1 by y constant value, x square derivative 2x is the value, this is constant value, derivative 0. So here if you observe, dou m by dou y is equals to dou n by dou x is the value. Both values are equal. So given differential equation is exact differential equation. Now for this exact differential equation, how you can find the general solution? Then write down general solution. When you're writing general solution, first here y constant m dx we have to take plus n terms of y only dy is equals to c. Then integral m into dx. What is m value here? 2x logarithm of y dx, treating y constant value, plus integral terms only y. Here only containing only y means without x. 3y square is there. So 3y square dy is equals to c. Then simplify this value. Y is constant now. So log y, here write down integral to x value. X square by 2 means x square log y plus 3 into y square dy means y cube by 3, this value cancel, equal to c. So the general solution is x square into log y plus y cube equal to c. So this is the examples basing on the exact differential equations. Okay, remember this one. Next, after this exact differential equation, exclusively competitive point of view, when you solving the differential equations, you will get somewhere you will get x into dy plus y into dx. If you will get this one somewhere when you are solving the differential equation, sometimes you will get x dy plus y dx. Instead of this value, total this value, what I can write? Derivative of yx. Remember this value. These are nothing but integrating factors. Remember as integrating factors. Integrating factors means when you are solving any differential equations, if you observe somewhere x dy plus y dx value, then instead of this value you can write derivative of yx. Okay, this is the first one. Next, for example, if you observe x dx plus y dy, so this value I can written as 1 by 2 into 2x dx plus 2y dy. Then how I can write this whole value? Derivative of 1 by 2 into derivative of x square plus y square. So whenever if you observe x dx plus y dy while you are solving any differential equation, immediately instead of this x dx plus y dy you have to replace this one. Okay, if you want, if you simplify this value now, again you will get this one. Simplify this value, half into what is the derivative of x square value? 2x dx plus derivative of y square value 2y dy. Nothing but 2 cancel, x dx plus y dy. So these are nothing but integrating factors. So whenever in the differential equations, when you are solving, if you observe x dx plus y dy, instead of this whole value, directly you can write half into derivative of x square plus y square. Next, few more integrating factors. For example, what is the derivative of y by x formula? Tell me. Derivative of y by x means here x square is the value. U by v formula you can apply. U by v means this is the value x square and derivative of this value dy x as it is minus y into dx is the value. So whenever if you observe here, it is the value x dy minus y dx by x square is there. Instead of this whole value you can write derivative of y by x is the value. Similarly, next one, what is the derivative of x by y value? Tell me. As it is like this, y square is the value, here it is the value y into dx minus x into dy. So here this is integrating factor. Whenever if you observe y into dx minus x into dy by y square, instead of this value you can replace derivative of x by y. This is also one more, and this is also one more important point. Next, one more formula I will give. For example, x dy minus y dx by xy, if they given like this, then this whole value you have to replace with derivative of logarithm of y by x is the value. Just one time cross check yourself only. This is the next formula. Whenever if you solve in differential equation, if you observe x dy minus y dx by xy. Immediately instead of this value you have to replace derivative of logarithm of y by x. Now these are the few integrating factors. Now student point of view you have doubt where we can apply these integrating factors. One example I will give. Here the bit is they given solve x square minus ay into dx plus y square minus ax into dy equal to 0. If they given one example like this, then how you can solve this one? Here x square dx one value minus ay dx is the next value plus y square dy next value minus ax dy is equals to 0. Then x square dx plus y square dy. Between these two terms you can common minus a. If I common this value, y dx plus x dy I will get. Now integrate every value. And this value how I can write? X square dx plus y square dy minus a into how I can write this value? Derivative of xy equal to 0. Then in order to find the solution, integrate. If you integrate this value, x cube by 3 plus y cube by 3 minus a into integration derivative cancel. Here you will get xy, and this side integral 0 means constant is the value. So this is the general solution for the given differential equation. Means without using any method, with the help of these integrating factors, simply by simplifying like this you will get the solution. So these integrating factors also very important, exclusively competitive point of view, not for the board exam point of view. Board exam point of view, this standard they never ask. Exclusively IIT point of view and JEE point of view, these are very important integrating factors. Okay, thank you.